Hello friends, welcome to Smarter Brains. In this video, we will try to understand what exactly are proxy servers. We all must have heard words like proxy server, VPN servers, or routing servers, or even reverse proxy servers. So in this series of videos, I will try to help you understand the fact like what are proxy servers, where are they used, and also what are reverse proxy servers and how are they different. So let us just get started. So to understand what a proxy server is, let me show you a diagram first. So a proxy server basically routes the request from multiple clients to a proxy server. So a proxy server basically can be a simple machine lying somewhere in a remote region which the clients will actually use to hit a particular website. So what happens is, let us say the client IP is somewhere about 10.23.23.22. So now when the client tries to hit smarterbrains.in, the client will actually hit the proxy server and tell that I need the content of this website. The proxy server will actually call the server and get the data for it. What happens is the server does not really come to know that the request was from this client with this particular IP. The server always considers that it came from this particular IP. So you can also consider this as a VPN server. So a VPN server basically you might be aware of is a server that hides your identity and allows you to access the websites which might be restricted in your country or by your ISP provider. So what VPN server does, it lies in some other country and routes your traffic via that country. So that is how the proxy server actually functions. For any further information on proxy servers, feel free to connect and comment on the video below. Thank you.